Yeah, going good. We'll adjust you when it comes time. Keep it coming. Don't hit my bumper. I'm a rainbow. Yeah, don't do that.
I don't need to.
Is it gonna clear that ball?
A little, no, you go up, I think. A little more.
Come on up. All right, stop it there, man.
I gotta get past this.
Yeah, you gotta come
Step
down
ball
some
down.
now. See, you got, we can't turn it right now because, wait a minute. Somebody lift up the brake lever.
Okay.
Which one?
That's gotta go up before we turn it.
Okay, I had put a bungee cord on it, but,
Yeah, that didn't work. Don't lift it any higher. Matter of fact, come down a little bit. I'll tell you when.
can we come
might-
in a little, and maybe I
I
can?
would slide it forward a little so you can catch that ball. If you come down on it,
Okay.
it might
Okay,
really
so now
fall
it's
on you.
against here.
Okay, hold it right there. Will that go up? No, it won't go up any higher.
It'll
will it?
come this
Okay,
way.
Yeah,
okay,
there you
hold
go.
on.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, we're by it now.
Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna turn it now.
Turn it more.
Watch you don't fall off that jack. Okay.
There's
Okay.
a little more. No, not you, Dave. Just, okay, hold what you got right there.
Okay, got it.
Now you need to tip it up.
Here's the thing that fell. I don't know if I could. The gasket's there too. On the floor.
Is the gasket down there too?
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah. Do you want me to get it, or you got it? You got it.
Want me to pull it towards me, Jim? A little?
So you got the gasket on.
Yeah, okay.
Is that, and then that piece you put on,
Wait, now, okay, hold on. I gotta get past this
There you go.
box. Okay.
and you orient that.
I put a drift pin there if you want to
Okay,
line it up.
jack it up a little more. One more. One more? Wait a minute, let me see where you are. One more. One more. More? Keep one more. Behind it. All right, lift up on the front of the transmission a little bit.
Okay, one sec.
All right, it needs to come back now.
To you? Slide it back?
Uh-huh. Go easy. Whoa, whoa, okay. Let's see, what's that mean? Come back a little more. Wait a minute. Oh, not lined up.
I took two of those little drift pins. You want to stick one in to line it up?
No, I'm talking about the spline. Okay, now. Now.
I twisted. That's not.
Can you turn the input shaft?
The turning, I don't know.
Turn the input shaft. Turn it.
Should mesh in there.
Keep turning. Huh. Okay. It went back.
Yeah. The gasket's not lined up here. And the gasket's got to go there. That's getting closer.
Yeah, I could thread some of those nuts up here too.
Let's see. Whoa, whoa.
Careful.
Oh, yeah. What? Let's see if there's any.
Gotta go back more again now.
I don't think so.
Can I put my hand on top of that and hold it?
Yeah,
for you?
I could do
No,
that.
that's fine. I think it's. Ah, shit. Can't get
You get that angle.
what I need is that alignment tool.
Hey
up
Jim,
by
Dave.
Yeah,
Could you give me? I put 2 drift pins on that cart that we pulled over.
Yeah.
Right there. See the 2 silver ones
There you
right,
go. You got it in now.
right over there.
here. Tell me.
Could you just hand them to me?
Are you gonna need a socket wrench, Jim, or do you have one down there?
Find them, Frank.
I'm sorry.
I
If
just
I could find them, I didn't.
They're right on that cart. See up to your right?
The cart?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta see them. Let me get them.
Just think twisted too.
that's all right.
Okay, I
Yeah,
got
just those 2 there.
it. Got it?
Thank you.
Just
Okay.
wanna drop on the fence.
Okay, here's one. It'll go in there.
There you go. Where did that other clamshell go, you know? I think I dropped it.
Oh.
Down in there, or is it still up on the arm?
I dropped it somewhere, I think. Anybody see it?
I don't see it on my side.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, I've got that one. Okay, yeah, let's see. Put this in here.
I need more than one person.
There you go.
See if this one will go in right there.
It wants a, because of being on a round surface, it wants to slide off automatically.
Can somebody put that nut on there? I
Yeah,
can't reach
we
it.
can do
but-
that.
Well, I may be able to here.
You got it? No.
Want to try it? I don't know if
I can try
See,
it.
somebody got a better
I can try it.
approach to it than I do.
You
I
just put
can
that
see it.
castle nut on it? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think you got it started. That's good. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. At some point there must be a cotter pin in there.
You want to do that one up there? If you
Sure.
will?
Yeah, I can do that. Now, Les Andrews said this is a 4-man job. Or does it specify?
What's that?
Does Les Andrews specify how many folks it takes?
Nobody said it's a 4-man job.
It's a 4-man job. It should say that on the book.
Oh,
That's pretty funny. Definitely not a 2-man job, that's for sure. Just have to get that thing to spin, ain't it?
Dave, jack up the transmission about a notch.
There.
Go one more.
There we go.
well, just one.
You got a nut board me down
Do
there?
one at a time, but come on up.
You got a castle nut?
You tell me when to stop.
Right. Let's see there.
One more. Okay, right there. That ought to make it easy to get those nuts and
Yeah.
bolts in.
It's at least started. It may not be very tight yet, but okay. Can we put this other one in?
Huh?
Gonna put the other one in here?
Okay, let me
Another nut?
get you another one. Try that one.
Yeah. All right.
Is it locking into place?
Slowly but surely. We're trying to get the nuts on first, and then we'll come back through and tighten everything up. This one doesn't. You don't need a castle nut for this one. Just the regular.
Well, I didn't have one on that one.
Okay.
Oh, it's the
Thanks,
one you
Frank.
lost? The one
Yeah. Nut fits its size.
There's so many other castle nuts. I'm sure it'll be fine. It is small dimensions in here. I'll tell you what. Trying to get these things to spin on there. There you go. There. That's good. So we got 5 out of 6 so far. Or there, well, I guess
Yeah.
I'll go back through and tighten all those up. And then the clamshell, that little hitch.
I want to let it down about an inch. I don't know. You can't tell an inch.
You tell me, I'll stop as quick as possible.
Watch your finger when that thing comes down.
Going down?
Very slowly. Yeah. Hold it. Slow, 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 slow. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Or lift up here, Jim, or in the front, or try and...
I'm trying to move it forward just a hair. Okay, right there. Okay, Dave, let it down a hair again. Whoa. It's got to come forward about,
the transmission?
yeah, about an inch.
Oh, I can't. I can't.
What did he say basically was wrong with your engine was the valves?
What's that?
Basically, Ben
Throw it up with the oil and
he thought the
put the lid on it.
valves was the problem with your engine.
Is these two forks have to fall in those two gears,
Okay.
right?
Right.
Okay. So I've slid the gears
Apart.
apart. That's right.
And you seat it down in there. And then you could probably thumb through those gears to make sure you're in there right without bolting it down.
So that's it.
Okay.
And just the 4 or 6 screws that hold it down.
And then cotter pin those castle nuts.
Well, some of them aren't going to get cut. Some of them aren't going to get
some
done.
of them, but yeah. Good enough for government work.